everyone. Here's how you do your final project on Book Creator. You first have your task, which is this one. I'm going to click on it so we can read it together. It says Final Book Creator Final Project. It is due on Saturday. Why am I giving you on Saturday? So you can have enough time. And it is until 6 p.m. So what you need to do is you need to go to your library, The Thinking Artist, in bookcreator.com. You need to create your book on 10 ways to stay healthy. You can upload photos, videos, recording, or YouTube links, or anything you like. Then come here to Seesaw, click on Add Response, and tick the success criteria to see how much you have completed. After you finish, click on the check mark and send your work. So the due date is Saturday at 6 p.m. So what is the success criteria? Here we go. Success criteria is a map that you are going to be following when you're doing your book. The first thing you need to do is see how many of these you have completed or made in your own book. Now, the first page, for example, in the first page you need to write a title, the author name, which is your name, and the class name. The second page, you need to do these things, page 4 and 5, page 6 and 7, 8, 9. You can read all and understand and ask me if you don't know. How am I going to create my book? I'm going to go to, I'll open a new page. Book Creator, www.bookcreator.com, and log into my account. How do I log in? I go all the way up where it says sign in. For you, my friends, you have your QR code that I have already sent you. Oh, I'm not signed out. Anyways, you need to use your QR code. What you do is you are in your library. I'm in my library, which is yours. And I'm going to come to this yellow bar here, which is called New Book. When I'm in the New Book section, I come to this one here, Landscape Comic. Why? Because it has bigger, it's bigger than this, and this one has more options than these ones. So these ones are not, don't have the best options. This one is the best, okay? So I'm going to click on it. And this is going to be my book. So go back to your success criteria. What is the first thing I need to do on page 1? This is page 1. How do I know? It's written cover in it. Okay? Up here. Can you see it? It's written cover up here. So what do I need to write on my page 1 or my cover? I need to put title, author name, and my author name, that is my name, and class name. Now the title of the book is, how do I do it? Who can tell me what was the title of the book?
10 ways to stay healthy.
10 ways to stay healthy. Okay. So click on the plus sign, come to the text, choose title or text style. 10 ways to stay healthy. Click done, and you can move it around. I'm going to make it bigger. So how I do that is I click on the text, click on I, drag this all the way like this, and in the middle, et voila, that's it. I like it like this. Okay. Now I have another part in my success criteria. It says author name and class name. Author is me, I'm the writer. Oops, wrong place. You always come to the plus. When you want to add something, here's what you need to remember. When you want to add something new, you come to the plus, because it's add, like addition. When you want to change the thing, you choose it, but you come to the I, okay? So let me show you. I want to add a text with my name and class name. I'm going to come to the plus, text, also text, and I'm going to write this book, or no, just made by Mina, grade 3, the thinking artist. Okay? it is too tiny. This is not good. So I'm going to click it, come to the eye, make it bigger. Oh, that's too big. Make it in the middle. If this happens, you can click it and move it, and then change the size, and then move it back. I still think this is too big. So I'm going to click it again, click on the eye, make it a bit smaller. I want to change the font. I told you I like the Emily font because of Emily, but I also like the heart. So how I do that is I click on the text, come to the eye, go where fonts is, Emily. I'm going to go back, I want to change the color. And I'm going to go back, I can put a shadow behind the text to make it pop more, like this. Or I can put a background behind it, like this. Ooh, so many things you can do. But I'll keep it like that, okay? Now, this is the cover of my book. I don't want my cover to be blank, white. I want to make it colorful and fun. So there are many ways I can do that. For example, if I want to add any of the covers that the book creator has, I click on the eye, and I can choose anything that they already have, which is so cool. But also I can go lower, and I can choose a color, or go lower, paper, or border.
Miss, can you show me how to make
or pattern? I'm not done. I'm not done. Ask me your questions after. These are for the ones that were absent, okay? So questions after. Now, let's say that I'm happy with this border, okay? I'm going to start my book now. Go to the next one, to the arrow, to go to the next page. Now, back to my success criteria. Page 2 and 3 are about healthy food. And I need to put an explanation. Okay, let's add first photos about healthy food. So, how I add photos, there are two different ways to do that. Number one, but they are both from the same place. Number one is if you have a photo on your computer or your tablet, you can just add it, or you can find a photo online. Both of them needs you to come to the plus sign. So I'm going to click on the plus, go to import. Do you see where it says import? Can you show me thumbs up if you see it? Great. And here is where it says search for images. This is Google, basically, okay? So, who can give me an example of something healthy that I want to add in my book? Yeah, you can just unmute and say.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Vegetables.
Vegetables, okay. So, carrot. I'm going to search. Come on, computer. Ooh, look at this. I like this one. It's so cute. So click on it and click add. Sometimes it will take a minute to load, but then it can be so big like this. I don't want it to be this big. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. So how I did this is I clicked, and those circles that are here make me make it bigger or smaller. This green circle, make it move all around. Woo, 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 woo. Okay. So I'll make it smaller. Someone said vegetables, right? So I come to the plus, import, search, add. Click on the picture, click add. Okay. Now these are my pictures. I want to explain now. Part of my success criteria is to explain. If someone opens my book and they see only pictures, they wouldn't understand what is it about, right? Shouldn't they read in order to understand? So I need to explain. Now, I did not tell you that you have to write. Think about that. You don't have to write the whole time. You can write, but you can also record a video. You can also record an audio, just sound, whatever is easier for you. Let's say that there's something that you know how to say it, but you don't know how to write it. So I don't want you to write something that you don't know. Okay? So let's go to the next page. Remember, my success criteria says page 2 and 3 are about healthy food and explanation. I am here, look again, I am here at page number 2. So I need to go to page number, yes, well done. Now, let's say that I decided I want to make a video. I don't want to write. How do I do that? I click on the plus sign, click on camera. Can you see the camera? Right. Oh, I turn off my camera on Zoom. Hold on. Yeah, that's because my camera on Zoom was open. Here we go again. Plus camera. Ta-da! Hi. Can you see me? Now I'm in Book Creator. Ha 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 ha. So I'm going to record a video. Ready? I'm going to say why I think healthy food is better for my health. 3, 2, 1. So I think healthy food is better because, like fruit and vegetables, because they don't have a lot of sugar, they don't have a lot of fat, they have a lot of good fibers and a lot of water. When we were learning in school, I discovered that the potato and the onion have a lot more water than chips, right? Do you remember that? So this is why I think eating healthy is better for my health, because I'm not going to get fat, I'm not going to get sick, I'm going to be always healthy. Bye. When you stop, it will show you that you can watch the video. So I think healthy food is better because, like fruit and vegetables, or you can watch it. If you like it, you can click use. If you don't like it, you can delete it and start over. There's no problem. So use video. Here is my video. I can, again, I click on it. I can make it smaller or bigger. Remember, anything you put in the gray area here, it does not show in the book, because this is outside the book. Okay. Let's say that I want to add, so I think healthy food is better. Stop talking. Okay. Let's say that I want to add a link from YouTube to add more. Okay. What am I going to do? I come to YouTube. Let me open a new one. I'll come to YouTube, youtube.com, and I'm going to search healthy food. No, why eating healthy is important. And I'm going to write always for kids. Why? Because YouTube has a lot of things on it. Sometimes when you search, it's not going to show you good things. So add always for kids. Let's say that I want to add this one. I watch the video. Of course, I need to know what I'm adding. So let's say that I watched the video completely and I want to add it. I come to the place where it says share. Can you see it? Yeah, perfect. Okay. Come to the place where it says share and then click copy. When you click copy, you have copied the link. So you can come to Book Creator again. Same place. Plus sign. Import. But this time you want to add a link. So you're coming to this area here. Click on it and paste the link and click confirm. And click add. Ta-da! This is the video from YouTube now. Let's imagine I want to add also writing. So I'm explaining with the video. I want to explain with writing. Come to the plus, text. Choose anyone because you can change it. I think eating healthy is good because blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to write everything now. Click done. And let's change its size. This is too tiny, so I'm going to click on the, choose it, click on the eye, make it big. Oh, too big, too big, too big. In the middle, I can change the font, go back, change the color, go back, change the background if I want. Ooh, that's ugly here. Oh, this is better. Go back. Okay. So I have two ways for me to add my explanation. I can make a video. I can make a text. Another way is, this is extra, but this is not adding my explanation. The third way is actually making an audio, only a recording of your voice. So you click on the plus, come to record, where it says record down, and I'm going to start recording. Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. I think eating healthy is very good, is very important, because it will keep my body good, and it will help my immune system fight diseases and illnesses and whatever I want. Okay, bye. Of course, not like that. You can also listen to it. I think eating healthy is, and you can use it or delete it. I'm going to use it. So here is my recording. I can make it bigger or smaller. So these are all the ways that you can show your explanation. You need to experiment. You need to try using the plus sign, try using the eye. And do you know what will happen at the end when you finish your book? Let me show you. I'll go to the first page, the cover. And I'm going to click on the play button here. The play button is going to show the book how people will see it, not me. How other people will see it. So I'm going to click. Ready? Okay, let's see. Ta-da! Look, this is my book. This is how it opens. It opens like a real book. And you're going to be doing that. I'm not going to go more because we don't have more. That's it. I didn't do anything else. Do you have any questions about this? Or is it easier now? Yes, go ahead. Open your microphone.
Teacher, but why are my this?
Why what?
My screen is this.
What?
Can I show the screen and?
Sure, but wait, because I want to stop the recording. Anyone else has a question? I will post this video for you so you can actually see it. Okay. If you have started, good. Go work on it. If you haven't started, you can go work on it now.